Well, I bought this nice router from Zinsano, beautiful machine with nice handle, also speed control right here. That's great. Now, what is not great, the user's manual is only in Thai and it's very poor. Only few pictures, a few drawings, very few in fact. And what I want to do is actually to attach this one, and well, apparently this should come here and this one may be here, but because I would like to make a groove in here, so but there is no explanation in the user's manual, so let's find out by ourselves, because in fact this one, it has to come somewhere like this, but well, in that case I see only one solution, which is just to remove this one and turn it off, the opposite, upside down. That's the only, and here remove this one. That's not very convenient because there's a bolt inside, but it's not attached. So it, yeah, well, look, it's loose. That's not very convenient. Anyway, you can use it. And this one, aha, I get it. I understand. Look, there is a groove in here. So that's just to have this one like this. Okay, makes sense. I'm making this video in English, although I think it will be more useful for Thai people, but ผมอธิบายเรื่องนี้เป็นภาษาไทยก็ไม่เคยได้ครับขอโทษจะใช้ภาษาอังกฤษอย่างเดียว Et en fait ma langue maternelle c'est le français. Well, in fact my mother tongue is French. Anyway, that's not the problem. So well, like this it makes sense, and you can adjust it with this one here and do some fine-tuning with this one here, which is nice. And now I want to place the rotor bit, so it's like any rotor. And you have a button to block the arbor, the shank, and a key to lock it. So that's all quite straightforward. It's not my first router, in fact. Look at this one here. I made a router table with an old Magtech. Very convenient too. But I need another router, and this one is nice. Also, I want to make a room in here, so this one I needed to have over here, so I need to modify it as well. So okay, nice and easy. And I need one of these two. Well, let's see whether I can lock it from. Yes, that's fine too. And this is nice, a protection. This protects you against wood chips. Okay, now I need to measure first. So let's. Okay. Nice cut. This is my mistake, because in fact instead of having the rotor moving in that direction, I let it go that direction, and so it went out because of the rotation of the blade. Anyway, it's a nice cut. Very powerful machine. Hope this video helps. And this is the end result. You can see that's a mistake. I explained. It's because I just have pushed the machine instead of pulling it, instead of going that way. Because of the rotation of the blade, it took the machine away, and I did not pay attention. And just a green pea. I haven't used such a device for years. But anyway, that's a very great machine. I can really recommend such a machine. And it's not too expensive either. There is one other important feature I did not mention. This machine starts very smoothly when you press. You can see the machine start very softly, smoothly. Another rotor, when you start, you have a torque effect like that. Not with this machine. For the rest, all the settings are similar to other devices. I'm not going to explain everything. So let's make the second cut. Three depth on the lowest. Well, a nice cut. Great. Good tool and surprising, very good grip. And well, it's a very good machine.